Hey, Dave O'Sullivan here, and welcome to video number 1 of the Clinical Reasoning Go to Physio Bootcamp Challenge. Now imagine this, a patient that's had back pain for 5 years walks into your clinic. They've been to all the other therapists, they've done the traditional approaches, they've done the glute strengthening, they've done all the stretches, and nothing's helped them. And they're going to hand over 50, 60, 70 pounds, sterling, euros, dollars, whatever it is to you. Where do you start with that patient? Now, in the coming series, I'm going to ask you some questions after you look at some real life clips, because this is a scenario that's happened to me. But even better, you can't use your hands. So what do you do then? The patient is too sensitive for hands-on treatment. They can't tolerate hands-on treatment. What do you do then? So over the coming series, I'm going to ask you some questions, and we're going to develop the lost skill in our profession, in my opinion, clinical reasoning. And by the end of this series, you're going to relearn and hopefully develop some new skills. Even if you're a clinician with 20, 30 years experience,